Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to activate a Bybit account. Activating a Bybit account primarily involves completing the registration and identity verification processes. Here's the general guide step-by-step procedure. The first thing you need to do is go to the official Bybit website or download the Bybit mobile app. Next, you click on the sign up or register button. Using your email, address or mobile phone number, register. Next is to create a strong password. Bybit will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter the verification code to confirm your registration. Now the second step is identity verification, which is KYC. As you log into your Bybit account, navigate to the account or profile section. Find the identity verification or KYC option. Then provide the information. You'll be asked to provide information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. You also need to upload identification documents such as passport, driver's license, government issued ID card, and then in many cases you'll be required to complete a facial recognition scan to verify your identity. Once you're done through with all this, submit your documents and information. Bybit will review your submission, which may take some time. Once your verification is complete, you will receive a notification. It's as simple as that. It's important to note that you need to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Keep your login credentials and personal information confidential. Don't forget to carefully review Bybit's terms of service and privacy policy. Then the specific verification requirements may vary depending on your location. Always refer to the official Bybit website or app for the most accurate and up-to-date instruction. By following the steps, you should be able to successfully activate the Bybit account.